For today's makeup look, we're doing this colorful rhinestone makeup look. This is inspired by Zara Larson and her rhinestone makeup. First, we're starting with this colorful Makeup Revolution palette for this light blue. And we're going to be putting this into the outer corner in the crease, blending upwards towards the eyebrows. Then using the Rude Cosmetics Passion palette, we're using this purple shade. And we're taking this above the light blue and blending it towards the eyebrows. Then putting that same purple in the outer corners and blending it into the blue. Then using a bit of that purple in the inner corners. Then using that same palette for the bright pink and blending this into the purple. And adding a little bit more on the eyelids. Then going underneath the eye with the purple. Then using pink to blend that out a little bit. Then I'm using the Rude Cosmetics Mixed Berry palette for this light blue and starting to blend it from the middle of the face in between the eyes and blending that color into the eye area. Then I'm taking a pink cream blush and putting this very close to the eye area and blending it onto the cheeks. Kind of combining the cheek and eye look together. Then using a black liquid eyeliner to create a winged eyeliner shape. Then adding rhinestones to the blue area between the eyes. Then starting to add some of those rhinestones into the eye area. And that completes this colorful rhinestone makeup look. I really love fun, bright, and colorful makeup looks, so I thought this one would be an interesting one to try. Let me know what you think of this look in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching.